Have you ever studied for hours, but then forgot everything during the exam? If yes, don't worry. You're not alone. Most students make the same mistake. They study harder, not smarter. Imagine trying to fill a bucket full of holes. No matter how much water you pour, most of it leaks out. That's how most students study. They spend hours reading, but their brain forgets almost everything later. But today, you'll learn how to fix that. You'll learn how to study less, but remember more. Mistake 1. Just reading and highlighting. Many students highlight pages and reread notes again and again. It feels like learning, but it's not. Studies show that if you just reread, you forget 90% within a week. Reading is like watching the same movie many times. You recognize the scenes, but that doesn't make you a filmmaker. Real learning happens when you use what you read. Mistake 2. Cramming before exams. We've all done it. Staying up all night, drinking coffee, trying to memorize everything. But cramming doesn't work. Your brain throws that information away after a few days because it knows you don't need it long term. It's like trying to stuff clothes into an already full suitcase. It might close, but it won't last. Mistake 3. Studying passively. Learning is not just reading or listening. You wouldn't learn to swim by reading a book, right? You must practice, not just watch. The same goes for studying. If you don't test yourself, explain what you learned, or use it, you'll forget it. The truth. Retention greater than repetition. Smart students don't study more time. They retain more in less time. They make their brain work, not just consume information. Learning sticks when your brain struggles a little, when you recall information, and when you teach it. The learning pyramid. Simple version. Reading, 10% remembered. Listening, 20%. Watching, 30%. Practicing, 75%. Teaching, 90%. If you want to remember more, teach it, test it, use it. Step 1. Active recall. Pull, don't push. Instead of rereading, ask yourself questions. Close your book and try to explain what you learned. Out loud. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. That's called the Feynman technique. Teaching others helps you find what you don't know and fix it. Also, test yourself. Use flashcards, old question papers, or quizzes. Testing helps your brain remember faster and longer. Step 2. Spaced repetition. Beat forgetting. We forget quickly if we don't review. So, review at smart intervals. Day 1. Learn it. Day 3. Review 10 minutes. Day 7. Test yourself. Repeat this, and your brain will store it forever. Step 3. Build study habits that stick. The secret to success isn't studying once in a while. It's daily practice. Here are 3 tricks to make it easy. 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just study for 2 minutes. Once you start, your brain keeps going. Habit stacking. Add studying to something you already do. Example, after brushing your teeth, review 1 note. After dinner, do 1 quiz. Pomodoro technique. Study 25 minutes. Rest 5 minutes. Repeat 4 times. Your brain will stay fresh and focused. Final motivation. Most students give up too early or study without direction. But you can change that today. Study smart, not hard. Learn how to learn. That's the skill that will change your entire life. And remember, small daily effort always beats last-minute panic. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Everyday English Learning, where learning smarter becomes your daily habit.